Hello everyone and everybody. So today I have one video that I want to sharing to everyone. In this my video I want to sharing to everyone today is talk about and show about the secret lighter of Toyota Fortuner not working or not operating. Okay, why not why no operate, why not working? So now can check with me and follow by me step by step. Okay, now let's start to check now. And first check the fuse of the cigarette lighters. This is the cover of fuse and showed about the location of fuse, and check the fuse of cigarette lighter. The fuse will be broken. Okay, now remove the cover of fuse, and this is all fuse in the inside of car room, driver side. Okay, now check the fuse of the power outlet and 50 ampere. Okay, power outlet. This is the power outlet. Okay, power outlet. Now we can count the power outlet. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now again 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and then you can check in this here. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Now remove the power outlet. Okay. The power outlet is broken. Okay. That's why the cigarette lighter is not operate, because the fuse of the power outlet is broken. Okay, replace it new. You can take the new fuse for spare, and this is a spare. Okay, spare fuse is 50. Okay, this is a spare fuse. Now okay, I install the new fuse of 50 ampere in the power outlet. Okay, and this is installing the fuse of new, and I take from spare is already. Now let's start to check the cigarette lighter. Okay, let's go. Okay, now after I reinstall the new fuse of 15 ampere, so the cigarette lighter is operate normal. Okay, thank you for watching in this my video. If you like my video, and please subscribe my channel, and share my video, and comment also for fix and this problem. Okay, see you on next video. Goodbye.